Hello everyone, welcome back to Keepsakes by Patty Cakes. This is Patty, and I just wanted to share with you a short video of what I'm going to be working on next, which is a blue Christmas journal. And I have a kit here that I want to share with you. This one is from Paper Princess Digital, which I haven't purchased any digital kits from her yet, but this one was just gorgeous and I couldn't pass it up. I also bought, it's called Winter Wonderland, but I also bought a kit that is also the name of another kit that she has, which is also Winter Wonderland. And so I bought some background pages for that, and I'm going to mix them in with the pages that I have. Now, my plans are, and it can change, but my plans are to do a soft cover journal, and this one I want to be mainly a writing journal. So it won't have all the glitz and glam or, every page filled kind of thing, which I always get carried away and do it. But I'm going to try not to do it with this one and see how it goes. So I just wanted to share the kit with you. And as I say, it's called Winter Wonderland. And this is the first page. Make sure I'm in frame there. And then I've printed these back to back, and both kits are intermixed. So this is another page from the kit. And we have this one. I'm hoping you can see these okay. I'm not sure, on how the camera's picking it up. But this one's, you can kind of see pine trees in the background, but they're very faded. And then there are snowflakes, snowflake shapes, and like round orbs that are like snowflakes as well. And then on the back, we have this watercolor tree, and it's got a little snowman down here and a little cabin. And then this side is also a winter scene, and it's just gorgeous. And the ice that are, in some of the corners I just love, because I love sparkle. So I may be adding glitter, just a warning. And then I already showed this side. So then there's this one, and it has the same like snowballs and snowflakes or what have you, and a little cabin that's faded in the background here. And then on the other side, we have this like wood cabin in the background with the snow and pine trees. And it's it has the same blue in it, but it also has some grays in this one. Like a grayish color. And I can't remember if I showed this side. I don't think so. Or maybe I did. I can't remember, but there's a little cabin here. Yep, with the same snow. I think I showed that one. Then this is my favorite page. This one has, on this side, a wolf. It looks like an Arctic wolf. And then on this side, there's this, I don't know if this is called a bunting, like a banner kind of thing that says snow. And it has a barn and a little house in the background. And you can see the sunset there. And then on the other side, we have another beautiful pic on each side, because of course they're going to be folded like this. And there's some homes over here you can see, and then the woods and a mountain over on this side. Then this side is of what you would see like ice on a window. which I thought was pretty cool. And then on the other side, we have two different types of windows with different scenes in the background. One, of course, has this well here with icicles on it. And then this one has a bridge with a lantern out there and everything. It's just beautiful. Then the next one is another home. And it sort of has the gingerbread kind of look on it. I just love this one too. And there's kind of like some lights over here on this tree. And of course the snow falling. And then this side is of water in the background and some trees and snow. Oh, I love this one too, I have to say. We have this stag right here, of course, and a postcard in the background, and then another snow scene here with the moon up at the top, and you can see branches coming out here. I really like that. And then on the back we have two different trees that are snow covered. And then this one has a repeat of a like a, oh, what do you call it? I can't think, but like a, not a brick home, but like a rock home, like a cabin. And then on the back, it's just like these blurred grayish, greeny blue color. And then this one, again, has, you know, the ice up here, and then just some little shrubs or bushes over here, and the ribbon heart, which I thought was cute. And then on the back of that, we have another snow scene. This one goes all the way across, of a bunch of trees, and of course the snow falling. Now this one didn't come with much ephemera, but they did give you clip art that you can use to make other things. So I'll show you, I don't know if I have them all printed, but some of the clip arts was this little envelope here, this little envelope with skating on the lake inside of it. And I think this was just to show you how to do, it comes with an envelope like this that you can, you know, fold up. I haven't cut it out all the way. And they also give another big one here. And then it also has the skating on the lake card that you can put inside of it. And then we have this little one that has ice skates on it. It says "with love." And then we have that postcard that is blank right here. And then we have skates, ice skates, that are really cute. They have little bells on them and silver up here. And, you know, the tie to tie them up. And then there was a little tag in there with this beautiful rhinestone at the top. So with the clip art that came with it, I went ahead and print out Let It Snow separate and just fussy cut around that. And then I took this tag and made it bigger, and I put the stag on it. And then there's also like pieces of snow and stuff that was used in the making, and I cut it out to make this real tiny pocket. I don't know if you can see down here at the bottom. And then there was also a pine tree, and I haven't cut it out yet or done anything with it. And then the windows came in big form, and I printed them two to a sheet. So I have them smaller. And then there was also these writing pieces that were on the one page, and that was two to a page. And the banner, I haven't fussy cut those out though. And also just the square that had writing on it, this one here, skating on the lake. And then a bigger one of the With Love. And then I took the background of this tag and I made my own words and a few, I have to reprint it because I accidentally cut a couple of them off in the wrong place. But I just have various words, you know, for winter, not necessarily Christmas, because this is a winter journal. I'll be doing some red and green Christmas ones, I'm hoping too, if I get this one done quickly. But yes, I just have some holiday words and some quotes by people. So I thought that was really cool. And that's pretty much the kit. So I just wanted to share that with you, and I will be getting started making things and putting this together. Oh, there was something else too. I'm trying to decide what fabric to use. And I have this, oh my goodness, what is it called? It's not coming to me. You know, you get long johns with this material, but this is a blue. And I'm not sure about that, or if I want to use this darker blue here and, you know, put something on the cover, which would look really nice. Or I have this lighter blue here, which looks like it needs washed. I should go run and throw that in now. And I have another blue here, which that would also be pretty. And then I just have some pieces of other fabrics. So that's what I'm going to have to figure out. And then I also have a cover here. It's just a soft cover. And I think what I'm going to do is just cover it on one side with fabric and on the other side, and I may use some batting, not sure yet, and then sew around it, and then, you know, do my cover. So that's what I'm planning so far, and I hope you'll follow along when I come on, and I will see you in the next one, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.